Ramen here back in 2012 and walking the track. Oh man, we are here. Got my wristband on. We're gonna get unloaded right next to the track. We have the primo spot. Beautiful. Going to the driver's meeting. Look at the S14 over there.
For a minute or so, head on off whenever you're ready.
Here we are. We're gonna get a quick demo of the track layout. Here's the line. I like it. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Driving a tech right now. Look at Jen. That's going out on the track. Tech right now. Well, man, I think we're all set here. I think we just passed. We are here, we are done with tech. They put me in Group B, so we still got some time to get ready before we go out. And we're gonna go watch some of these other guys get down out there. We got another guy in a white K S14. Up on the bleachers here for a little bit. It's a nice place. I gotta say, I'm definitely excited to get out there. It'll be a good time. It's been a while since we've been in a drift event. What's up, Jen? Yeah, it's been. Oh, look at that car, ready to go. So I got about 20 minutes here, and then I think we're gonna get on track.
No, it should be like
gotta get a GoPro ready. I gotta say, I'm definitely excited to get out there. It's been a long time. So, what are you thinking?
I can hold the camera for you.
No, you're good. Well, it is drizzling a little bit, but it is Group B starting right now. So I think we're gonna go get loaded up, or get the GoPro mounted.
Hi!
I know, it's weird, right?
Yeah, I know.
Try.
Clouds are rolling in. Are these guys ready to go? Missed that. Dude just went to the dirt there and ripped the front of his car off. That's too bad. Yo, little 3-car tandem here. That was close. Sorry about the shaking. It's windy as hell. Yeah, so we got some clouds coming in. It is rainy.
Look, you want to see?
And we're looking at the radar here. Pull it up.
Okay, hold on. Let me press. Okay, here's future. Look, hold on. It's 1:30. Look at this. 2 o'clock. What? I thought it was gonna be done. Look at that. 3 o'clock. 3:15 the rest of the day. Look at that. It's coming in.
Well, it looks like we got rain the rest of the day. Oh, this thing's pretty cool. Don't mind that at all. The braking LSFD. Michael Thomas car. It's not bad, I gotta say, Tong, you did a good job on this thing. Nice looking car. All tinted in there, you can't see. I like it though. Oh, shit. We're here. A group's going right now. I think we're starting up again at 3 in B group. And I think that this is going to be the last set. So we're just here wrapping up the event. Guys, I pulled down the Detroit drifting banner here. Getting this car loaded up, and we're gonna get on our way. I think we might do some dinner with these guys. But it has been a great event. We are out of here. Goodbye, Flat Rock. We'll see you again.
6:40.
Holy shit.
We have to take the car off. All this crap. How long will it take? Dun, dun.
I don't know. We'll find out. I'm curious. I'm guessing.
I think 16 minutes.
I'm thinking 20 minutes with that.
16 minutes.
We'll see. Car's off. Trailer's parked. We've got to unhook it. It has been 20 minutes. Great, a successful event. Down here, downtown Ann Arbor. Slurping Turtle in Ann Arbor to go get some ramen. It's supposed to be really good. Here in a parking structure. It is free on Sundays. So yeah, we're going to go get to this place.
Across the street?
Yeah. We'll cross the light.
There it is.
There it is.
Let's go. This is where you go?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Awesome.
I mean, if you're not getting any appetizers, it's enough for a meal. If you're splitting it, if you're not very hungry, I would say just split the one.
Holy crap, guys. Look at that.